The beauty about Power Apps is if you store this data on SharePoint, which I've done here, if I go to SharePoint list, this is literally the data that's connected to the app, and you can easily then connect that to Power BI, which I'll show in a second. But just to go through the app firstly, so let's say we want to complete some tasks for some of the units at Lucy. The first thing it does is it picks up which unit do you want to log any tasks on. Notice here, it's the first task that's populating for unit 1 is the HVAC installation. The app is built to only show unit or tasks that you haven't completed yet. So any tasks that have been completed will automatically be filtered out because the purpose of this part of the app is to log completed tasks. So if we go down to, let's say, unit 2, we're up to task 5. Let's say we want to say that we completed the roofing, so we'll put in completed there. What this part does is it's not showing my camera because I'm using it for the webinar, but this app can be used on a phone, it can be used on a tablet, and it can also be used on a laptop. On a laptop, obviously, it's a little bit trickier to walk around a construction site with a laptop to take photos, but with a tablet or with a phone, you can utilize the camera feature of your tablet or phone and upload photos there. So a big thing with the previous company I was working with anyway was there would obviously have to be proof that tasks were completed. So photos of the progress being made. So you'd upload the photo there. I'll just see if I can move this over a bit. Put in the date that you completed the task. So let's say the 11th of June. And we'll click on, we'll do one more task. We'll say exterior sliding completed. And we'll say also the 11th of June. Notice there as well, you can put in some tasks that are in progress. So you don't have to say that they're fully completed. If you want to let someone know that this task is still in progress, we're not finished it yet, but we have started it, you can easily do that. So just log some tasks there for unit 2, click and submit. And then that's basically feeding that information back to SharePoint.